really big and spacious living area over here. Well, we have a beautiful open kitchen. There's a lot of space even behind the bed for me to stand. There's a lot of space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. This is Karuna Acharya and today we have reached Sattva Lavita, which is located in Hennur, Chikkagubi Road. Like you all know, we are here for the sample flat tour. But before that, I want to show you the neighborhood of this particular property. Firstly, towards my right hand side, you can see the sample office of this particular property. Towards my left hand side, you will see the land parcel. That is a 3 acres land parcel where the property is going to be built. And this is the road which leads us to the Hennur main road. So yes, this is the neighborhood of this luxurious property. Very nice, friendly and ambient friendly neighborhood. Well, firstly, I want to give you some information about Housey before having the home tour. So Housey is the first real estate platform that directly connects home buyers and developers. With this, you get bottom-most price guaranteed. Not just that, I'm sure most of you must have experienced the frustration of making inquiries online only to be hit back with calls from various brokers. But at Housey, you can rest easy because the listings are done directly by the builders. There is no broker who comes into picture. Well, this was information you had to know about Housey. Now let's go and check out the luxurious row houses that Sattva Lavita has to offer for us. Okay, so now let's discuss on the project overview of this particular property, Sattva Lavita. Well, firstly, the builder is Sattva Builders, consisting of land parcel that is 3 acres and 63 row houses with basement plus ground plus 2 floors. This is located in Hennur, Chikkagubi Road. Variance being 4 BHK row house, 3255 square feet to 3260 square feet, which starts from 5.68 CR onwards. Now let's talk about the connectivity. Well, the connectivity is we have Motherhood Hospital just in 9 kilometers of radius, the Leela by Bhartiya City at 2.5 kilometer radius, Manyata Tech Park at 9.5 kilometer radius, Reva College at 5 kilometer radius, and Bhartiya City Mall at 2.5 kilometer radius. Okay, so now we have reached the row houses for the sample tour. Let's go and check out the super luxurious row houses. Come on in. So as soon as you enter, as you can see, we have this really big and spacious living area over here, which is really very well aesthetically designed, and I love the way they have placed the furnitures and the colors and the styles looks really fascinating and aesthetic. So this is the living area over here, and right opposite to the living area, we have another small area over here for your seatings. As you can see, we have a big area here which is like a mini living area, and also this particular living area has a door which can be locked. So if there is any personal meetings, family gatherings, this area can be used for you to sit separately and have your personal connect. Well, with that, here we have a attached washroom. As you can see, we have anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and also we have this big window for good light, ventilation, for fresh air to pass to your washroom. With that, here we have a attached balcony. Well, it's a pretty cute balcony, but it is spacious, overseeing lush greenery and a beautiful scenic view. So this is the attached balcony we get with this personal mini living area over here. Let's move out from here. So as in how we move out, well, my eyes goes to this particular area, which is really very well thought, very well built. As Indians, we really believe in worshipping God, and we really like, as in how we enter, our house should be blessed with God and their blessing. So this particular area is here for you to keep your, here we have kept a Ganpati idol, but it's up to you, however you want to design. And we have a water flowing over here, which is really very nicely built. Well, with that, right next to that, we have dining area over here. As you can see, we have a lot of space for dining area. Currently, we have just kept a 4-seater dining table, but you can easily accommodate a 8 to 12-seater dining table over here because we have a lot of space given here for your dining area. With that, we have this particular area which we have placed a very small table only for aesthetic looks. This looks really nice, completely customizable. If you do not want it, you can remove it, but this gives a very nice and stylish feels to your house. Well, with that, now let's go to kitchen. Well, we have a beautiful open kitchen As you can see, very spacious. We have a L-shaped slab, and we have a lot of storage above and below to store your essentials, kitchen essentials. With that, I love this cute mini space made here especially for your oven, which will not take any additional space in your slabs. With that, we also have a storage for your refrigerators, which will again save a lot of space in your kitchen because this is made just for you to store your refrigerators. With that, we also have an additional sink over here, an additional slab with a lot of storage spaces, and also we have a lot of storage space below, and even above there's a lot of storage spaces which you can use for storing your kitchen essentials. With that, we also have attached utility area with the kitchen with an additional sink again. You can store your dishwashers or your washing machines here in the utility which is attached to your kitchen area. Well, also we have an attached balcony with our living area come dining area. As you can see, this is the beautiful garden. I love the way it's made. I love the way half side is made for you to sit and half side is for you to do your gardening, plant some flowers and etc. As you can see, this lush greenery over here. If you are somebody who loves plants and likes gardening, this area is for you because this looks really very nice and gives you a very fresh and relaxing vibes. So this was our balcony which is attached to our living area. Well, this particular villa has basement and 2 floors. So now I showed you the ground floor. Now let's go and check out our basement. Come on in. So well, as you can see, we are going downstairs. That leads us to the basement of this particular villa. So right now we have reached the basement of this luxurious property. Well, before anything, I first want to show you that this particular property has a lift. So you do not have to worry about if you have any old people at your home who cannot climb up the stairs. There is a lift that goes up till the terrace. You can be relaxed and do not worry about how our old people are going to commute. So this is the one point I would want to make here. Well, with that, let's start from this particular corner. Well, this particular door leads to the parking area. Yes. So you have a big space for your parking. So after parking, you have an attached door which leads inside the house. So this leads to your parking. With that, this particular room is specially made for your entertainment. Yes, as you can see, there is this chessboard beautifully placed over here. And if at all you like to play any game in specific, that can be carom or pool or Uno in that case, this is the place for your entertainment with your family, your friends, your colleagues. This is the entertainment room. With that, we have an attached washroom that has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and also we have a window for good light and ventilation. Also, this particular basement also has servants' room. Yes. So this room is specially made for the servants' room, which is really spacious. You also have this wardrobe over here for their storage, for any house help storage. We also have an attached washroom that has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and window for good light and ventilation. So this was our basement floor that this particular property offers. Now let's go up and check out our other 2 floors that this particular property has for us. So that was the basement. This is the ground floor that we have already had a tour. Now let's go and check out our first floor. We have a lift, mentioning it again, and also we have this spacious big stairs for you to move without being congested. So here we come to our floor number 1. So this is our first floor. Well, firstly, I like the way we have a lot of space here. Lot of space. Also, as you can see how beautifully this is decorated. So you can completely design your sitting area according to your likes and choices. And here we have an attached balcony again with the first floor living area, and we have this beautiful swing kept here. If you like to have a swing, you can have it. If you do not like to have a swing, you can completely remove it and just leave it free, or attach some chairs and tables. This is our balcony, again overseeing lush greenery, scenic view, very beautiful, spacious, it has a good vibes, fresh air, and very nicely made. Now let's come to our another room. Well, this room is basically for the kids. As you can see, this is a very small, cute room which is specially designed for small kids, small babies who are there at your house. You can see we have this really aesthetic wardrobe here, completely wooden made. These are here just for reference purpose. If you like to have them, you can take the reference from here. If not, it's completely customizable. We have this cutest small bed over here for the kids. Also, we have this really cute little study area for them to have their study time. With that, we also have a balcony that is pretty spacious, overseeing a scenic view, and it's very nice and cozy and cute little balcony over here. And also, there's one more thing which I really like about this room is that we have an attached wash. We have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and we also have a big window for good light, ventilation, and a fresh air. And one additional point here is I love the way how the doors are made up of glass. Well, as this is kids' room, they need a lot of monitoring, and you need to take care of them. So with glasses like these, you can know what they are doing if they are not doing something mischievous. So this is really nice, the way the doors are made of glass. This is the kids' room. Now let's go and check out our next room. Well, this is our next room, which is pretty big. I think the entire villa is really aesthetically designed. I love the way walls are done. I love the way the frames are put. The wooden touch, the wooden feels this house has makes it really aesthetic and premium looking. And there's a lot of space for you to walk around the bed. As you can see, they have kept some items across the bed for you to store your lamps and books. Also, we have those seating area over there, which you can add. You can keep it. If not, you can just leave that space empty. And you can see we have this king size window over here, which literally is of the whole wall. It's like a wall window. So this particular area will give you a lot of fresh air, a lot of light to your room. I don't think you even have to switch on the light till it gets completely dark, because we have a big window which keeps the room pretty lit up all the time. With that, we have this walk-in closet over here, which is used, of course, for storing your essentials. As you can see, we have this area. We have a dressing area for you to dress up. This area is for storing your essentials. With that, we have an attached washroom which has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, and also shower glass partition which gives you a spa-like feels, and also a big window for good light, ventilation, for air circulation in your washroom. So this was our room number 2, which is pretty big, pretty spacious, and I love the way how they have given the wooden touch to the entire house. And again, from here you can see your ground floor. If you have to communicate with your family members, this is a place you can actually stand and communicate. So this also looks really nice. Now let's go to our floor number 2. And as you can see here, even the railings have this beautiful light which makes it really aesthetic, and also during the night it will help you to climb the stairs without having to fall or trip. So yes, this is our last but not the least, the second floor. Well, firstly, let's go towards this area, which is our terrace area. Well, super spacious, super big, and as you can see, they have already set up a mini seating area over here, which can be used for you to have your family time, have fun with friends and so on. This particular area here can also be used as your bar counter or anything according to your needs and taste and choices. Also, as you can see, this particular thing leads to your house that gives a lot of light inside your house. So this is our terrace, pretty spacious, big, and also a very nice place for you to have your photo shoot done. Now let's go and check out our super luxurious master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, which is in the second floor. Well, before we enter the master bedroom, I want to give you some information about Housey. So at Housey, we give you sample flat tours, actual location tours, 360-degree virtual tours, pros and cons of a particular project, pricing details including EMI and down payment details. After all this, if you like the project and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is go and click on the description box to book your free site visit. So do not wait, go and book your free site visit now. Now let's go and check out our luxurious master bedroom. Okay, so yes, this is the master bedroom. Like I said, we have a direct connection to the terrace from master bedroom. So if you don't wish to keep that as a terrace, you can completely close the door which leads to terrace and just keep this open, which will look like a balcony which is attached to your master bedroom. So this is our master bedroom. Well, very, very spacious. As you can see, I can completely walk around the bed. There's a lot of space even behind the bed for me to stand. There's a lot of space, and currently they have put this curtain over here. But this room also has a wall-like window. This complete wall which is transformed into a window which gives a good light, ventilation, lot of fresh air to your master bedroom. Again, we have a walk-in closet that gives you a lot of space for you to keep your essentials. This area, because we have this big mirror attached for your dressing. With that, we have an attached washroom that has anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings, shower glass partition, and a big window for good light and ventilation. So yes guys, this was the sample flat tour, actually sample row house tour of Satwa Lavita, situated in Hennur, Chikkagubbi Road. Well, if you like this particular property and you want to book your free site visit, all you have to do is register yourself at thehousey.com. Not just that, if you want to download e-brochure for this particular property, you can do that by just clicking on the link given in the description box. Also, if you have any positive or negative feedback regarding the property, the builders, the location, or the videos that we make for you, you can let us know by dropping it on the comment section below. Last but certainly not the least, do not forget to subscribe Housey to have more of such amazing tours for you to choose your dream house. Well, that was it for today. I'll see you next time with yet another amazing video. Till then, take care and goodbye.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.